To create your itch.io page, go to your web browser, type itch.io, go up there to register, type in your username. Let's call me I make games awesome. Put your strong password. Add your email address. I'm using here a temporary email. Please don't do that. Here you put what you want to do, playing games or distributing. I want to distribute content, and I accept the terms and create account. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to your email, see the message you just received from Niche, click to verify your email address, confirm email verification. If you don't confirm that, you cannot upload your games here, so you need to do this. And let's go to some configurations, some settings here. Click this down arrow and go to settings. You can upload your profile image. You can show another display name, put your website, link some social media accounts here. I like to use a dark theme. You can use whatever you want. You can put your profile here. It's safe. You can click your name here. This will go to your page. You can make it more beautiful. You can prettify your page. Go to edit theme. You can change the background color to anything you want. Let's use a plain black. I can change the font color, the links color, and everything. You can change fonts. Make font smaller or bigger. You can add a banner that will replace your title here, and you can upload a background image that will be the background. Here you can see it behind. I have no more content. It's safe. Click here and you're okay. Then to upload the game, you go to your dashboard, or you click here, or in the down arrow, there's your dashboard there. To upload the game, click create a new project. To upload the game, you put your game title, my game title. It will generate a URL here. You can change it. Let's say just my game. You can show a short description, my first game. If it's a game, let it as a game. You can set the type, can be downloaded, or HTML to run directly on the web browser. You can add this. Let's say it's a prototype. Released. This is when you're done. Okay, it's released for now. Here you can do the pricing. Remember, paid things will not be the games you put on a HTML so the player can play online. Things you put them to play directly on browser are totally free, even if you set paid here. You need to add download content for them to download as a paid. So let's use this, 0 or donate. You can also set to no payments. Then you need to upload your file. It should be a zip file with all your game files. I explained that on the export game tutorial. You can check on the card or in the description. And when it's uploaded, just go, this file will be played in the browser. Okay, now here you can set some configurations. You can set the width, height. Let's increase this to that. If you have mobile controls, you can set mobile friendly, or else you just leave that disabled. I like to add the full screen button so players can open full screen. Other things you can or not change, but you don't need it. Here you put your description. My game is awesome. You can teach them how to play. Was the keys to move, jump. Select the game. genre. Mine is a platformer. We can add our custom tags here. It's 2D. Did you use AI to make it? No, I didn't. But if you use, you need to add here, even if it's code, images, or anything. If you have another app store with your game, you can link them here. I like to let the comments on, and let's start doing it as a draft instead of public, because that way you can see how it will look before people can actually play. This is my page. As my profile, I can edit the theme and make it more pretty. I like to use my purple color as a background, and the other background here, other purple. And here I like this almost white color, this more bluish, orangish. Let's use my pixel font, the size medium. And I can add banner, background, and all other stuff as well. Background, this one. Yeah, that's the image I want. Okay, I can hit save. And I can run my game to test. Run another tutorial, the game. Okay, your game is nice here. So you can go back to edit game, and you can add some other stuff like a cover image and screenshots. Just hit upload cover image, add a nice cover, and you can add screenshots. I don't have any here, but you can add as much as you want. There will be screenshots, and you can hit save. Then you can, when you're done, you just go down below and visibility access to public, so people can now play your game. Now you can share this link here with people so they can play your game. If you have a demo of your game and a full version, you can also do that here. You can add a paid price, let's say. Then you go to upload files. I will go upload the same just to show you, but you can upload the full game. This can be an executable for Windows, let's say it. My demo that I already uploaded, play in the browser, and this version, the user, the the players can download it if they pay the minimum price here. You can hit save. Now if you go to view the page, go to configure your payment settings, you click that button, you read all this stuff here, really fast reader, accept the terms. This way you need to set up the configurement page at all. You can use Stripe or other things. This way each will handle and you can get withdrawn from each later. This is easier. Set your payout mode. And now you need to fill up the text documents. Please use your real name or your real entity here. I'm just using an example here, okay? My entity. Let's continue. My all game, individual, or if you're a corporation, corporation. Yes, I agree. You put your name, my game, my entity. There's no business name. Let's say, whoops, 2000. Where you're from? I'm from Brazil. email address. It's interesting to use your real email address, not the one like I use a temporary. You can even use a different email from your each account here. Just use an example. Select your country, put your address, city, state, zip code. Okay, you can continue. When you add your address, if you receive a message saying your address isn't a valid one, you can just, I receive an error message setting the address input was invalid, however I confirm my address is valid. Please only do that if your address is valid, not like I'm doing this. You need to consent those. Are you a US citizen? Are you a US person? I'm not. If you are, you put yes. If you are not, but no. Individual. If you is chosen business, use business. Select none of the above for me. Okay, your country. I don't have a team. No, I don't own a business in the United States. You need to check all this. Submit the form. Okay, you finished. Then it can take some days to finish this. Then you can go back here and it will be done. And done, your games are shown on your dashboard. You can go get there by here.